Today we will learn chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics means it is the study of speed with which chemical reaction occurs. Chemical kinetics is useful to determining how the chemical reaction occurs with speed. On the basis of speed, chemical reactions are classified into three different reactions. First, fast instantaneous chemical reaction. Second, slow chemical reactions. Third, moderate chemical reaction. Let us see one by one. First one, fast or instantaneous chemical reaction. Reaction which proceed without taking of time is called as a fast chemical reaction. This reaction occurs in the few seconds or minute. Mostly these reaction takes place between ionic compounds. Let us see examples. Reaction between sodium chloride and silver nitrate, it gives instantly white PPT of silver chloride. Another example, combustion of LPG in kitchen as well as combustion of wood takes place in few seconds. So these are the examples of the fast or instantaneous chemical reactions. There are so many or plenty of examples of these reactions. Next type, slow chemical reaction. Reaction which proceed with taking of time is known as a slow chemical reaction. These reactions may take days, month or even year to complete. Generally, these reaction occurs between covalent compounds. For example, fermentation process. In fermentation of sugar by using yeast to convert ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. This reaction may take place in several hours or several days. One more example, rusting of iron. Iron rust if we put into the humid atmosphere. These are the examples of slow reactions. Third type, moderate chemical reaction. These reaction which proceed with the measurable rate at a normal temperature is called as a moderate chemical reaction. These reactions are neither fast nor slow. Rate or speed of such a reaction can be measurable. Some examples: hydrolysis of ester, reaction of ethyl acetate with base NaOH to produce sodium acetate and ethanol. This example comes under these types of reaction. Another example, a decomposition of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide convert into the water and oxygen. These reactions takes place at a normal temperature. We can measure the speed of these reactions. Now, in this chemical kinetics, we are going to study following aspects: rate of reaction, rate laws, factors. In factors, which factors are affecting on the rate of reactions, such as concentration, temperature, pressure, catalyst. All these aspects we are going to study in chemical kinetics. Let us see in the next video one by one of all these aspects. Thank you very much.